Dictation will be started in few seconds. Be ready. Start. Our whole future progress depends on this process of industrialization and the use of higher techniques. It must be remembered that it takes long to train a first class scientist or technician. To put up a steel plant takes some years. It takes twice that time to train a technician who can run that steel plant. It takes 5 times as much time to train a competent atomic scientist as it takes to put up an atomic reactor. We have thus today to organize training for the people required for the second and third 5-year plans. We cannot delay this, or else our planning and industrial progress will be automatically held up. It is obvious that this high class training cannot be given today and for some years to come without knowledge of a foreign language. It is possible and indeed desirable to give elementary scientific and technological training in Hindi or our other regional languages. We can translate some textbook as we have actually done. We can build up our technical terms in Hindi as we are doing, but we cannot produce the vast and complicated thought that lies behind this technical and industrial age by translating a few books or having a list of terms. Changes in technology today are so rapid that even books that are being printed get out of date very soon. Every scientist has to keep up to date by reading many scientific and technical periodicals, usually in several languages. Para. For this and other reasons, it seems to me essential for us to continue in a big way adequate teaching of English as a second language. I say English because that is the easiest foreign language for us to learn and is the most important. We should learn other foreign languages also. Personally, I think that even from the cultural point of view, in addition to the point of view of developing and widening the scope of Hindi and our other languages, it is necessary for us to keep in intimate touch with and have adequate knowledge of foreign languages. Only thus can the stream of thought come to us from various parts of the world. This will enrich Hindi and gradually make it a vehicle of this new thought, which will go to other countries possible through Hindi. I fear that many of our people have little conception of the world. We live in this world of automation and atomic energy. We are living through a period of revolution and we have to face a struggle for survival for our country and not merely for achieving higher standard. Thanks for watching.